In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background image in LibreOffice Writer. If you have a document with a background image and you want a clean, plain page again, this process is very simple once you know where to look. The background image is usually applied through the page style settings. So instead of deleting anything from the document itself, you'll be changing the page's background option. To begin, open your LibreOffice Writer file. Make sure the document is fully loaded so you can clearly see the page and its current background. If the image is faint or covers the whole page, that's normal. We'll be removing it from the page settings in just a moment. Next, move your mouse to the page background area outside your normal text margins. This is important because you want to click on the page itself, not inside the text. Right-click in that background area, and from the menu that appears, select Page Style. This will open a pop-up window with the page formatting options. Once the Properties window appears, look to the left side panel and select the Area tab. This section controls the visual fill of the page, including things like color, gradients, and images used as a background. If your page currently has a background image, this is where that setting is being managed. Now in the Area section, click the None icon. This is usually the first option and often looks like an empty or white box. Choosing None tells LibreOffice Writer to remove any existing page background fill, including the background image. If you don't immediately notice a change in the preview, don't worry. The setting will take effect once you confirm it. After that, click Apply and then click OK. Apply updates the setting and OK closes the window and confirms your change. As soon as you do this, the background image should be removed from the page. And that's it. Your LibreOffice Writer document should now have a plain background again. If you're working with a document that uses multiple page styles, keep in mind that this change affects the current page style you edited. So if some pages still show a background image, they may be using a different style and need the same adjustment. But for a standard document, these steps are usually all you need to remove the background image quickly and cleanly.